driving through Georgia and got a ticket? Now, let me tell you what to do when you drive through another state or even another country. I'm Attorney George McCranie, and I've got offices in Valdosta and Douglas, Georgia. And I wanted to talk with you because we've all heard about how law enforcement looks for out-of-state drivers to give them tickets because it's easy money for their departments. Now, getting pulled over is always a nerve-wracking thing to have happen to you, even in your home state. But getting pulled over in another state or even another country really takes that anxiety way on up to a much higher level. And like I said, I'm Attorney George McCranie. We've got offices in Valdosta and Douglas, Georgia, and I've helped thousands of drivers all over South Georgia for over 20 years. Now let's talk about what you should do if you're stopped far from home. First thing, have your driver's license ready and have all your vehicle registration, the tag, the insurance information ready as well. It's best to have them all in an easily accessible location that doesn't require you to make any exaggerated movements to get them. You don't want to make that officer upset. Second thing, I recommend telling the officer that you're a tourist or you're on business travel and just passing through the area. Now, I know y'all are thinking this goes against what I normally recommend, and that's true, but this is a rare time that providing extra information to an officer helps, because he will know that you're allowed to drive on your valid out-of-state or your valid foreign license. That helps. Third thing, many times officers want to see if you have moved to Georgia and just haven't gotten a Georgia driver's license. Now in Georgia, if you move to the state, you have 90 days to get your Georgia driver's license here in the state. And if you don't do that within 90 days, you can get a ticket for failing to change your driver's license. Now here's a bonus. In over 20 years of practicing in Georgia, I can't tell you how many times I've seen officers use fumbling or difficulty retrieving documents as a reason for charging someone with a much more serious crime than they were originally stopped for. And that would be like DUI. Now, I highly recommend putting your registration, your insurance, your driver's license, etc., information, not your driver's license, in a holder that's easily accessible, and have your driver's license where you can get to it easily as well. Don't make the officer suspicious that you may be impaired because you can't get your driver's license out of your wallet. Make it where you can do it easily. Now, if you or someone you know has been ticketed or arrested in South Georgia, you can message us on Facebook Messenger at the George McCranie Law Firm, or you can call us at 833-927-6227, and we'll be glad to get the answers that you need to your questions. And remember, it's like I always say, admit nothing, deny everything, demand proof. Thank y'all for watching my video today.